Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have everything ready before starting. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical issues while working on your device. Next, turn the laptop upside down to access the battery compartment. Locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them. Remember to keep track of these screws, as you will need them later to reassemble the laptop. As you remove the back panel, gently use your plastic prying tool to assist in lifting it off without damaging any clips. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean the internal area of the laptop using the microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and keeping it clean helps maintain your laptop's performance. Next, identify the battery connector. Gently disconnect the battery from the motherboard by lifting the connector straight out. Be careful not to pull on the wires too hard, as this could cause damage. Now, let's remove the old battery. There may be additional screws holding the battery in place. Unscrew them with your Phillips screwdriver. After removing these screws, lift the battery out of its compartment. At this point, you can install the new battery. Place it into the compartment, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by pushing the connector back into place. Make sure it's securely connected to ensure the battery functions properly. Before replacing the back panel, it's advisable to perform a professional diagnosis without obligation to confirm that everything is working correctly. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a seamless service. After ensuring all connections are secure, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. Then, carefully align the back panel and press it down to snap it back into place. Finally, screw in all the screws that secure the back panel, ensuring everything is tight. Now, power on your laptop and check if the new battery is recognized. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you every step of the way. And there you have it, a complete guide to replacing the battery in your HP 15 SFQ laptop. Following these steps will not only help you save money but also extend the life of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.